Let's see Mistral, an amazing AI tool you can use today, and it's free. So today let's take a look on a product. It's called Mistral. It's like ChatGPT, Claude, and another chats that we have. But the thing that is good is it's free. So you can use it without paying, and it has a lot of capabilities that other chats ask to pay for. So this is the interface as you can see here. You can click here to have the menu. You can search any past chat, or you can start a new one by clicking here. Let's do some things to show you how it works. So as you can see here, let's close that one. As we have here, you can ask any questions you want. For example, how to make an elegant drop shadow in Figma. I click on run, and now it will generate for us an answer. So we have this step-by-step guide. Open your Figma project, open effect panel, add drop shadow, adjust the shadow setting, and that's all. Also, it has vision capabilities, so you can upload an image and ask what is in the image. For example, let's open a new chat. I will add this image. So the image is a street from Madrid, and I will ask it, what do you see on the screen? Let's run it and see how it's performed. Basically, it says that it's European city. It describes the architecture, the city activity, and this looks like could be street like in Madrid, Spain. That is true. It's Madrid. I generated it with AI tool, but as you can see, it's catch it. So the next thing that I want to show is that the chat has ability to generate images. Let's click here, create an image of New York City. I click here, generate images. Let's run. Seems to look like a New York City image. You can download it from here if you need. And that's about the images. The next thing that I want to show you is the search capabilities that it has. So let's open a new window. I click here on search in web. It's in Spanish here, but say the search in web. So now let's see how it's performed. So as you can see here, it gives us a list of tools that we can use. Of course, there is Figma, there is XD, Sketch. And if I will click here, it's going to give me the source that it's taken from there. Can click and it will open the page where it's taken the information from. The last thing that I want to show is the option of canvas that we have here. So it's like ChatGPT or Claude or another AI tool that has canvas option. I return it on, click that I want to create a calculator with an interface, and let's see how it works. Click here on run. It starts to create the code. As you can see here, you have the chat that you can, after that, improve the application, make changes, improve bugs, fix bug if it has. And now we have the calculator. By the way, you can turn on and off the view from here. And let's see, 1 + 1 is 2. Yes, and that's true, seems that works. I want to do another thing, see if it will work. I want to ask it to make it pop. Let's see what we'll get. So I write here, make the visual design pop, run the prompt. I think it's started to generate the code, but it seems that it's stuck. Let's stop and ask it again. I will back to the other version, the one that works. Ask again, make the design pop. It's write the code. So it's finished and you can see the result, pop or not. It's changed the design. I believe that with more accurate prompt, like make it like flat design or something like that, it will do a better job. Also, if I add CSS assets, for sure it will renderize it as I want. But the results are good. So if you want to use this tool, it's free. It's in Mistral.ai. That's all for today. If you need a product designer, my info in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.